Asan ba necklace ko?
Rin babaliwa ka.
Isa pa po. Yes, from the top.
Ulit sa simula.
Personally, nung una kasi kong sumali ng Samascom, I really didn't know what I was getting into. I only joined the org because it was pink and I love pink.
I think I'll describe Live Aids sa mga company members na first-timers na hindi pa nakakasali as something that is a revolutionary experience.
Dumadagong-dung yung floor, tapos yung collective na madilim, amoy hairspray, amoy makeup, tapos pinipilit mong uminit yung katawan mo kasi sasayaw ka. Ganun yung energy pag magbubukas na yung cortina.
Iba yung kaba and parang kahit nakailang Live Aids ka na, nandun pa rin siya eh.
Tawanan siya, sayawan, it's writing, it's dancing, it's everything. I think Live Aids is a protest and it's an advocacy.
This is where I built friendships na I think would last for a really long time.
Live Aids and UP Samascom are what made up my college life. Everything that I stand for, I owe from those formative years. So I think it's really a gift that I want everyone else to experience as well.
My dad is Elmer Barcelon from batch 96.2. So growing up, I would always hear stories about how he had his fondest memories in the org, like the camaraderie and how he developed his talents and how he expressed his inner self by being a Samascomer. I always wanted that experience and lagi kong sinasabi sa sarili ko, makukuha ko rin to.
Alam ko na sa sarili ko na gusto ko talaga yung Live Aids. Gusto ko maging part ng legacy ng Live Aids.
I joined Samascom looking for a family here in UP. When I meet alums, they always bring up Live Aids.
Pangarap ko to, ito yung nilagay ko sa sig sheet ko na nag-a-apply pa lang ako sa Samascom. Sabi ko, Live Aids.
Gusto ko pang matutunan kung paano natin mapupush yung creativity sa modernong panahon dahil mas challenging magpatawa.
Pumasok ako ng UP Samascom because of Live Aids 33. When you watch Live Aids, you kind of find some kind of sense of solidarity that everyone here is experiencing the same kind of political problems and society's issues, and we're all able to relate to it.
Kailangan na magka-Live Aids this year. It's a need.
The most challenging part of mounting Live Aids is reigniting the spark after a 5-year break. It takes a dream and relentless effort to get all of the Samascomers together.
Very timely na mag-comeback ang Live Aids. From the name itself of the theme, which is hysterical revisionism, to poke fun doon sa pagre-rewrite, pagsusulat muli ng ating kasaysayan.
It is a comedy show, pero it is also a social commentary. Sige, tawanan nyo yung jokes namin, pero may sinasabi kaming message. The joke is just a vessel. The punchlines are just vessels.
Lalo na sa panahon ngayon na napakaraming pinagdaraanan ng lipunan natin.
Live Aids is the medium that we have to show our care and our compassion for the country.
And ngayon, I'm helping mount the comeback show. It all feels so surreal. I'm so speechless na nagiging part na ako ng legacy ng Samascom.
Working both on the production and creative side is actually challenging, pero fulfilling. Pareho ko silang passion. Gusto kong ginagawa yung work ko sa sales. At the same time, gusto kong sumasayaw.
To be completely honest, yes, no, overwhelmed, and medyo mahirap talaga i-manage. Pero kasi, if it's really your passion, kapag masaya ka sa ginagawa mo, it doesn't feel like work anymore, and you're really enjoying, you're learning, you're growing.
We have something to say. We were given the stage to say that. It's as if saying or asking people to come watch me, see what I have to show you, hear what I have to say, and ultimately that gets the message across.
Babalik ka talaga sa sarili mong experience with Live Aids.
May relationship yung performer saka yung audience kapag Live Aids. May pinapakita tayo sa kanila, may sinasabi tayo, nararamdaman natin yung feedback. Tapos umiikot lang yung energy hanggang sa magbawa na tayo.
It's where we laugh, it's where we cry. It's where we run, it's where we